Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use the equation editor in the Canvas quiz setting. Now you will find this option to be very useful, especially when it comes to doing homework or exams in the later lessons in this class. Now I don't want you to think that you have to use the equation editor for every single formula you have in this class. But in some situations, it might actually be a time saver to use the equation editor rather than finding symbols in your keyboard. So let me show you an example. This is from my online notes, section 8.3. And let me use this example. So here you have the data. For two samples, you have the sample averages and the sample standard deviations. As the first step to hypothesis testing, you have to set up your null and the alternative hypothesis. And this might be a situation where you can actually ignore using the equation editor and use the symbols in your keyboard. So for the null hypothesis, you can type up something like this. And then in the second step, of course, you have to define the significance level. And in the step 3, we have to calculate the test statistic. Now, in the step 3, you can see you have some mathematical symbols. So let me go ahead and show you how to use the equation editor. To use an equation, you can click on this button. So the post standard deviation S subscript P equals the square root of this whole thing. And then we calculate the test statistic. So I'm going to insert another equation. Okay, so likewise, you can use the equation editor whenever you need to insert some formulas into your homework answers or the exam answers. And one more thing. So once you click on this equation editor, you can see that you can switch between the basic and the advanced mode. The basic mode, it's pretty much the same thing as the equation editor in the Microsoft Word. And if you want to type more advanced equations, you can use the advanced mode, which is the same thing as using LaTeX functions.